Visit Delray Mazda to test drive the vehicles of your choice from our vast selection. Our top quality pre-owned vehicles are priced below Kelley Blue Book value and come with a lifetime engine guarantee. Located at 2001 South Federal Highway, 1 block south of Lincoln Boulevard in Delray Beach. You'll find us easy to reach from anywhere in South Florida. Call today to schedule your test drive, 188-703-0363.
Let Delray Mazda, Incorporated make your dreams reality. You are looking for speed, beauty, a car that's more than just a car, it's the ultimate driving machine. You will love this Aquarius '06 Volkswagen New Beetle 2.5, equipped with a 5-cylinder engine, with only 30,076 miles. Enjoy this sports car with features like side airbag system, cruise control, vinyl upholstery, bucket seats, anti-theft devices, traction control system, airbag deactivation, and much more. Feel the wind in your hair, enjoy the drive, and look great in this '06 Volkswagen New Beetle 2.5. See us at Delray Mazda, Incorporated today.
Delray Mazda thanks you for shopping Florida's #1 volume Mazda dealer. With over 400 vehicles in inventory, you are sure to find one that fits your wants and needs. Call 1-888-703-0363 today and schedule your test drive. And as always, make it a great day.